Hi guys, I'm Kanak. Welcome to your very own channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare Thandai. This is a chilled beverage which is prepared with a mixture of almonds, fennel seeds, saffron milk and other rich flavors. This is prepared during the time of festivals in India like Maha Shivaratri and Holi. First up, bring milk to a boil in a pan and then to this add half a cup of water and a few strands of saffron and mix well. When the milk begins to boil, also add in the sugar and simmer till the sugar melts nicely and then close the flame and keep it aside. Now I'm going to blend all the dry ingredients in a blender like the green cardamoms, dried rose petals, fennel seeds and black peppercorns to a fine powder in a grinder. So now my powder is ready, you can see. Now I'm going to add this masala to the milk and again bring it to a boil and again mix well. And now keep it on low flame. While it is simmering, now I'm going to grind all the soaked ingredients like the almonds, cashew nuts, pistachios, melon seeds and poppy seeds with a very little water in a grinder to make a fine paste out of it. Now our paste is ready, you can see the texture of it. Now this paste also I'm going to add to the milk. And again give it a boil and simmer for around 3 to 4 minutes and then close the flame. Now let this mixture stand for around 30 minutes and then in a large bowl strain the mixture with the help of a sieve . And keep pressing to extract all the flavors from it this way. If you want, you can also use a muslin cloth over here. Now to the residue spice mixture, add water and again strain so that all the flavors are nicely extracted from it. Now it's ready. Chill it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. Now at the time of serving, top it up with some crushed pistachios, few strands of saffron and rose petals on the top. And my chilled and flavorful Thandai is ready to serve, and as you can see here I've served my Thandai with some pistachio and rose petals on the top and it looks quite beautiful and presentable that way. It's quite refreshing drink with both the flavors sweet as well as spicy, and it is a perfect drink for summers. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below.